And there you have it, guys, a good old Arrma Mojave. So just a few tips. We lost about 3 wheel nuts on the day. Guys, when you get it out of the box, lock tight the wheel nuts really, really well, or else you will find that they'll get loose. You'll lose the wheel nuts and you'll end up stripping wheels out. The only thing that we broke is the actual body mounts on the car. What we'll do is we'll put the part numbers up on the screen for you. So remember to lock the wheel nuts. We'd also recommend getting some wheel nuts for spares. Definitely getting some body mounts. If you're doing high jumps, you will break them. And we recommend getting some wheels as well, because you'll end up stripping them out. And we did blow up a few on the day. Just regarding the performance, guys, it's an absolute beast to drive on 6S. We'd recommend driving it on grass, loose dirt. This car is built for power drifting. Regarding jumping, it's not much of a jumper. We found that it's not as nimble as other cars. And just a tip on jumping, once you hit the actual jump, try to let go of the throttle. And once it's in the air, you can sort of control it. Now, if you end up hitting the jump with the throttle on, you will find that the back end will just go down and you won't be able to correct the actual car. I'm not too sure if it's the weight of the car or the way the car's designed, but it's a lot of fun. It's very strong. It's a little bit more expensive compared to the other 6S range from Arrma, but it's well worth it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We love you all from down under.